So welcome back to guys HyperByte. In this video we are unboxing this. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel HyperByte. Today we have an exciting unboxing of some awesome electronic parts. Let's check what inside. Okay, so you can see this box from Robo.in. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Robo.in. Let's open the box. Okay, so if you are new in this video, so please like and subscribe this channel. You can see only 20% people subscribe and 80% not subscribe. So please like and subscribe and share this video to friends. Okay, the box first impression is really good and everything is packed really well. And let's see what we got. You can also buy this product by the description link. Okay, so you can see this is the bill of our box and you can see what I order. Okay, so box packaging is very good and you can see this 100% paper and some polythene. I use here is using some paper for eco-friendly box. Okay, so you can see. Alright guys, here what we got inside the package. This is the main attraction. It is the Arduino Nano board packed with microcontroller magic. It is used to connect Arduino to your computer to program and power, and it had 13 digital pin and 8 analog pin, and some models are comes with extra pin and for connection sensor and modules. Okay. And here you can see this comes with this USB cable. It's with it and it's easily put in computer, and let's put in computer and see check it's work or not. Okay, so you can see it's work properly, and in next video we are making a Arduino project on it. Okay guys, here is our next product, 2 ampere boost converter. Okay, using this you can boost 3.7 volt to 12 volt. We can make it a rechargeable multimeter and many more. If you are want to make a multimeter with it, so please comment in below. Okay, so here is our next product, NRF24 module, and it's a small package but its tiny module can do lots. This is main component featuring its transceiver chip operating with 2.4 GHz frequency. So it comes with two type antenna, with antenna and without antenna. Okay, so you can see this is antenna version, antenna with antenna version, and its range up to 1 kilometer, and its speed I think 2.5 Mbps I think, and connect. This tiny chip enable two-way wireless communication. It's use SPI communication, so it's connect with easily to most microcontroller like Arduino, ESP32 and many more. This helps to signal range. The PALNA version has a strong antenna for longer distance. Okay, so remember this module runs with 3.3 volt, not 5 volt. Make sure to use a level shifter if you need it. It should communicate wirelessly with another NRF24 module. Okay, and here is our last product, buck converter. Okay, this is a main board featuring with adjustable step down regulator, and they allow us to find and true output voltage. It is a small but powerful module that allows us to step down higher voltage input and a stable lower voltage output. Okay, so here you can see it had terminal to connect wire and inductor for a stable voltage output, and it helps to store energy and smooth voltage conversion. It had a LM358 IC. Okay, this is the main chip responsible for converting high voltage to low. Thank you for watching guys. Take care and goodbye.